in New Orleans. Let's go and try it out. Cheers! So guys, nandito na kami sa hotel namin. So we're gonna try their oysters now. Siyempre kinuha ko yung pinakamalaki. Ayan, Tommy! We're walking on Bourbon Street right now. It's just insanely loud right here. If you want to party all night long, this is the place to be, guys. That's funny.
Hey guys, so we are on our way back to New Orleans in Louisiana, and the drive is 5 to 6 hours depending on how many stops we're gonna make and how long that's gonna take. And I read that the best time to visit Crescent City is between late October and early March, when the weather is most pleasant, yung bang hindi masyadong mainit and hindi rin masyadong malamig. So the temperature is between 60 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit, and that's 15 to 21 degrees Celsius. And Crescent City has so many things to do. It also has a lot of things to see and eat. So we just want to explore it some more. And by the way, it's not just me and Edward visiting Crescent City. Well, this time, we also have my dad and Tita Lou joining us on this trip. Actually, sila talaga yung nag-invite sa amin na magpunta sa New Orleans para kami yung tour guide nila. And of course, we said yes right away. I mean, why would we say no to New Orleans?
So guys, nandito na kami sa hotel namin. We're on our way to our room. We're on the top floor. Let's check out our room.
Oh wow.
It looks nice.
We stayed at Hampton Inn and Suites, New Orleans. To save money, we only booked just one room. It's $140 per night plus tax. And to save extra money, you should find a hotel with free breakfast.
Hey guys, so I am here to give you 20 things to do, eat, and see in New Orleans. Are you guys ready? Here we go. Number 1. Find and take a photo of the NOLA 300 statue. Now we're heading to number 2. Visit Jackson Square. Hey guys, so we're on our way to Jackson Square. And right behind me is the St. Louis Cathedral. So if you have no idea or you simply cannot decide where and how to start your tour here in New Orleans, well, this is the spot, the best spot to begin your journey here in Crescent City. At number 3, go inside the St. Louis Cathedral. Number 4, attend a Mass at St. Louis Cathedral. And listen to the cathedral's amazing choir. Number 5, walk around Jackson Square. And number 6, watch and listen to street performers. And don't forget to leave a tip, guys. And number 7, eat beignets. Drink cafe au lait and hot chocolate at Cafe du Monde. Hey guys, so we're here at Cafe du Monde. Hey guys, so we're here at Cafe du Monde to eat some beignets and drink cafe au lait and hot chocolate.
Oh, FYI guys, there really is a cafe beignet near Jackson Square.
Originally I was gonna eat, or I was gonna drink just the hot chocolate because I had cafe au lait before, but I think I need some coffee right now because I'm sleepy. So yeah, there's a line. There was a line outside. There still is a line outside, but you only have to wait for less than 10 minutes to get a seat or to get a table. So okay lang naman. So nag-order ako ng hot chocolate nila kasi sabi nila masarap din daw yung hot chocolate here. So let's see. Cheers!
Ano ba yan?
And at number 8, visit the French Market. And at number 9, buy a souvenir at the French Market, since you guys are already there. And number 10, walk on Bourbon Street at night. And also, walk on Bourbon Street during the day. And number 11, party on Bourbon Street. Woo! Oh, but not too much, guys. Don't drink too much. You don't want to wake up somewhere you don't know, right? Well, the thing is, New Orleans has this reputation that it's scary and dangerous. Just don't walk by yourself at night, especially in dark places when no one is around, just to be safe.
Guys, we just came from Pat O'Brien's. We're walking on Bourbon Street right now, and it's still packed. There's still a lot of people, and it's just insanely loud right here. If you want to party all night long, this is the place to be, guys.
And number 12, drink Hurricane at Pat O'Brien's. Let's go! Don't forget to take a photo by the fountain.
Hey guys, so we're here at Pat O'Brien's to try one of their famous drinks, which is called Hurricane. So let's go and try it out. Cheers! Oh my god, guys, it's so good. You should definitely try it if you guys are visiting Crescent City anytime soon.
By the way, guys, you can take your glass home with you, or you can bring it back to the bar to get $4 back. And let's head to number 13. Drink Sazerac at the Sazerac Bar, located in the Roosevelt Hotel. The thing about the Sazerac is that it's $18 per glass. I'm not sure if it's a tall glass or a short glass. Well, we wanted to try it because Sazerac is the official drink of New Orleans. And at number 14, have dinner at Acme Oyster House. But there's almost always a line of people outside. When that happens and you can't wait and you're too hungry, you can walk next door to Felix's Restaurant and Oyster Bar.
So we're gonna try their oysters now. Siyempre, kinuha ko yung pinakamalaki. Ayan, Tommy. Try ko lang to. Put lemon, horseradish. Ready?
Blue cheese, some bacon special on the barbecue shrimp. Barbecue shrimp is going to be the messiest with the cheese.
And guys, it was so good that we had to order another dozen of oysters.
And whenever we eat at a restaurant, I always see this on the menu, which is why at number 15, try gumbo soup. And at number 16, attend a festival. Hey guys, so meron kaming nakitang festival dito sa New Orleans, which is the BBQ Festival. We just went there and ate, of course, barbecue. Mas masarap yung mga na-order namin ng pagkain. We had fun and really enjoyed it. And you can also watch a parade. And guys, make sure you visit the Steamboat Natchez. So we were gonna attend Mass at the St. Louis Cathedral, but then we got there early, so we decided to go around Jackson Square. But then we heard music coming from the Steamboat, and so we thought to check it out. I'm so glad we did because we were able to catch a musician playing live on the roof of this steamboat. Yay! You can also do the 2-hour cruise with lunch, and lunch is optional. Number 18, go on a tour. You can either do a ghost tour or a swamp tour. Up to you guys. So guys, we are doing the ghost tour right now. That's our tour guide.
Large, lovely red building today is known as Muriel's. This entire lovely building was one guy's home. A very fancy house, obviously, and a very fancy name to go along with it. Pierre-Antoine Laperdiche Jardin.
So we're inside Harry's Corner Bar. So yung tour guide namin, sinabihan kami na magpunta dito sa loob. We're kind of taking a 10-minute break. And sabi niya, order daw kami ng drinks if you want. Kasi dito sa New Orleans, pwede kayong magdala or uminom ng drink sa kalye. So you're allowed to carry a drink on the street. Hey guys, so here in New Orleans, you are allowed to carry a drink on the street. That's funny. So, magkano yung drink?
$6.
$6. Wow. It's pretty good for $6.
And it's a triple shot.
Hey guys, so we're here at the Jean Lafitte Swamp Tour. So obviously we're doing the Swamp Tour today. So we're gonna see some alligators, snakes, and I don't know what else. So it's gonna be a 90-minute tour, and we got this deal. Sa Groupon, syempre pinili namin yung pinakamura. So yeah, it's all about, you know, saving money whenever you travel. And iniisip ko yung pera na masasave namin ngayon, we can, you know, use it somewhere else, like do another tour, something like that. So we're excited. There's an alligator swimming in the water right now.
My name is Darren. I'll be captaining your tour guide today.
So we're going around the swamp. Oh my god.
Again, they shot some NCIS New Orleans back here. MTV came out here with Steve-O and Chris Pond. did some scenes for Wild Boys.
Nag-enjoy ka naman sa mga alligators. Yeah?
We saw a lot
Turtles, alligators, what else?
of bears. No.
Bears.
Bears. No.
Bears.
Birds.
Birds. Yes, merong bears dito, guys. So beware. So there are only two things we weren't able to do on this list. One is we weren't able to drink Sazerac, and two is this next one. At number 19, ride the streetcar. By the way, guys, it's not a cable car, but it's a streetcar. So it's $1.25 a ride, but make sure you have exact change because you need to pay exact change when you board a streetcar. You can also do a 1 day, 3 days, 5 days, and 31 days pass, which they call a Jazzy Pass. Now a 1 day pass is $3, which is actually ideal if you're touring the city. So you can ride the streetcar as many times as you want. And last but not the least, which is actually my favorite one, take a photo of the greetings from NOLA mural. So guys, we just finished our tour and we're on our way back to our hotel. And we're walking on Bourbon Street right now. I'm actually really tired right now. My legs and feet are just killing me. I can't wait to go back to our room. But I'm a little bit hungry. Maybe we'll grab something to eat. I don't know, we'll see. So there you have it, guys. In case you're visiting New Orleans anytime soon, well, these are some ideas and some of the things that you can do around the city. So have fun! And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. And you can also check out www.mypurplepages.com and follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. That's it for now, and until next time, see ya!